Welcome to the How-To video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will explore together how to adjust and use the power takeoffs on your tractor. Please note, these operations involve high-speed mechanisms that can be dangerous. Ensure you perform them safely. Let's start by accessing the PTO page from the main menu. If your tractor has a front PTO, the corresponding settings will appear at the top of the page, while the parameters for the rear PTO are just below. For the front PTO, you can adjust the startup aggressiveness using a selection box. Choose a value between 0, slow start, and 10, quick start. Then start the front PTO using the button on the armrest. The rotation speed is displayed in the menu, on the dashboard, and on the main page of the Datatronic 5. Regarding the rear PTO, you can select multiple operating speeds depending on your tractor's options and the implement being used. Use the slider to choose the desired speed from the available options. You can also set the PTO to neutral when attaching the implement. Start your rear PTO using the button on the armrest. The rotation speed is also displayed on the dashboard and the main page of the Datatronic 5. If you wish, you can add widgets displaying the PTO speeds. Note that when a PTO is stopped for a reason other than manual shutdown, such as in auto PTO mode or if the operator leaves the driving position, the widget icon, home page, and dashboard will flash to signal the stop. The next setting concerns the external PTO control located on the rear fender of the tractor. To activate this control from outside, press it for at least 3 seconds, then release. The PTO will activate. To stop it, press the external control again. This setting allows you to activate a predefined engine speed when the PTO is activated by the external control. Set this parameter to on, then enter an engine speed value of 1,500 revolutions per minute. If you then perform the same operation from outside, the PTO will activate, and the tractor's engine speed will increase to the requested 1,500 revolutions per minute. Another important point. If you leave the driver's seat with the PTO engaged, an alarm will sound, and a pop-up will appear on the dashboard. If you do not intervene within the given time, the PTO will be deactivated for your safety. If you wish to keep the PTO running, click OK to disable the alarm and keep the PTO engaged. Finally, a button allows you to access the Auto PTO function settings. This function is detailed in a dedicated MF how-to video. Now that you are familiar with the basics of managing PTOs, it's your turn to try.